Janelle Marie. Welcome to my channel, and if you're already subscribed, welcome back. This is a little different from anything I've done before. This is my first makeup tutorial. As you can see, this is what the final product would look like. This is my natural everyday look, my go-to routine currently, with some of my favorite products that I had already in my house. I didn't have to go shopping to buy anything new. I wasn't sent anything. I'm not that cool yet. I'm not a professional makeup artist. I've kind of learned how to do this all on my own. So I look forward to sharing my routine with you to see what you guys think, if you guys do something similar like me, or if you guys have any suggestions and you can teach me a little something. So let's just jump right into it. Okay guys, so this is how I prep my skin before I do my makeup. This is an everyday look, so it's typically something fast. I start off with my Aloe and Rosewater Balancing Face Mist. I got it from Marshall's for $5.99. So I just kind of go ahead and do this. I let that settle in. Then I go ahead and moisturize with Aveeno's Daily Moisturizer. Make sure I get all up in there. What I like about that moisturizer is that it has SPF as well, so I feel protected for the whole day. And always do upward movements, so I've been told. So I always start with my eyes first whenever I'm doing some sort of makeup look, just because I'm the worst. I'm like messy, so sometimes I'll put the eyeshadow on and like the specks will fall under my eyes. Not cute, not fun to pick up after you put your foundation on. I'm gonna start with this Anastasia's dark brown. I have pretty thick eyebrows, so I basically just use this to fill the end, and I always comb my eyebrows first. I'll use the dark side first to like line under a little bit. Then I go in with the lighter shade and fill in the ends. It's funny because I used to not be really good at shading my brows. I'm still working on it. It's definitely not perfect. I've just been figuring out what works for me. That's why I tend to like brush in between. So make sure it doesn't look too, you know, too overdone. Yeah, for this front part, I just kind of like brush up, yeah, like that. So after that's done, I do go back in with my Maybelline Brow Drama. You can get this over the counter at CVS. Mine's obviously not new. And then I kind of just do the same thing. I kind of just like brush my brows. I'm gonna use my screen. As you can see, the redness in my face, I've been dealing with a little bit of adult acne, which will be a separate video. Since this is my natural look, I am gonna go ahead and use Tartelette. I'm not gonna do too much. I'm a very big fan of this whole natural look. So I'm gonna start with Flower Child, which is this one. Then I go in with the middle brush and I use Jet Setter. It's like a brown, dark brown, and I just kind of put it lightly and just on my lids. Again, this is like a very natural look. Like daytime, if you don't want to like go to the store looking crazy, which typically I do. But hey, just in case you think the cashier guy is cute, you know. Depending on my mood, I'll do a liner or I won't do a liner. Today I'm not gonna do the liner because I really want to go for the natural look. So now I'll do the mascara. I use the CoverGirl So Lash. I really like to shake up from like the bottom of the lash all the way up. I kind of just wipe off any residue. I hope I didn't do too bad today. For primer, I've been using this. It's from SmashBox. I ran out of my typical primer. I usually use a Hangover Relief. I believe it's by Benefit. My newest and latest obsession has been Too Faced Peach Perfect. Boom. I love it because it gives me this natural glow and tan. And it's oil-free. It has a 14-hour wear, oil control, and photo-friendly. Very important. The color that I'm using is Natural Beige. All I use is one pump, and it does the job for me. So I literally just boom, like kind of just dab it everywhere first. Boom. And then I just rub it in. And this is just one pump. You're gonna see the difference once I have it all blended in. It's gonna be like a new person leaving here. Very important to get your neck too. See, I love it. It gives you that natural feeling. Yeah, I woke up like this. I'm not trying too hard, it's not cakey. Now for concealer, I've been on a mission looking for the best concealer that doesn't crack up for me. This has been like my favorite. It's the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I love it because it doesn't crack, it's easy, on the go, it's light. It looks a lot because the color that I used is light. I did that intentionally because it gives it like a natural mini contouring look. I'm gonna go in with my baby sponge. Bam. Like it automatically like refreshes the face. Now I'm gonna go in for some bronzer with that Hoola from Benefit. This has been really popular for the past year. I always do extra because sometimes I touch my face a lot and that makes the makeup come off, so try not to do that. But I always do extra because since this is my everyday wear, I want it to last me all day, and I'm definitely not the girl that carries her makeup with her all the time. Before I do my highlight, I like to use the Too Faced setting powder. It comes like this. Just because my forehead tends to be really shiny, I go in just on that T-zone right here. Boom, boom. Sometimes I do a little bit under the eye if I'm not baking. Yeah, look at that, look at that. We're getting there, we're getting there. It's looking cute. Now it's time for some highlight. Always extra with my highlight with the natural look. Especially in the summer, I've been using Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife. I mean, look at that color. It is absolutely beautiful. Like, I'm just like putting a little bit. Just kind of tap it on. Can we look how beautiful that looks? I love the natural shine that it gives. Boom, boom, boom. Also, my favorite tip with highlight, I love putting it on my nose. Just a little bit. Use a little shine there. And I'll use this new Revlon metallic. I remember I got this last summer. It's a Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lip Cover. Metallic. Well, there you guys have it. This is my first ever makeup tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed this look. Again, I was going for more of a natural tone. This is what I do like for my everyday look if I have to go out somewhere, but I'm not really trying to try too hard. I just want to have a mini face and go for that natural look that's currently in. This is my routine, and I really hope you guys enjoyed that. If you did enjoy that, please leave me a comment of what are your favorite current products. Give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you guys next time. And I really appreciate your support, so thank you so much for watching this and growing as I grow. As you can see, I'm not like a beauty professional. I don't have the cool setup in the backdrop, but maybe one day I will. Till next time, I'm Janelle Marie. Peace. Deuces.